Hi everyone, welcome to Bitch Face Beauty. My name is Therese. I'm the bitch behind the face, and I'm here with my friend Becca, who has her own blog, Haven and Harper. We're doing like a two-part series. Like, there's gonna be this video on my blog, and then we're gonna do a blog post detailing all the looks on hers. So make sure to go check that out. I will have everything linked. But today we just did an everyday makeup look that's like for the Minnesota winters because we're pale as hell.
It's difficult.
And dry as hell. And everything sucks. But anyway,
it's literally negative 15 degrees right now.
I hate myself.
For those of you, for her viewers that are not in the Midwest.
all of them. Anyway,
all of you
via Squarespace Analytics.
Yes.
Anyway, let's just get into it. Okay. Bare Minerals, Bare Pro.
Bare Pro.
And Warm Light.
Yes, it's amazing.
But apparently you gotta use a beauty blender.
You gotta use a beauty blender. It's gotta be wet for all you people that don't get your beauty blender wet.
Just never go in dry.
Stop. Yes, please.
Don't go in dry. Okay, we're just gonna go. Ooh.
I'm gonna laugh. It's like just the right cut. You know when foundations say they're medium coverage and they're not, they're light coverage, and you're like, I need more. This is like actually medium coverage.
I like it. But I like how it doesn't cover your freckles.
I know. Girl, you know that's the goal. I feel like you just went so far.
I did. I'm just gonna, okay. And we're gonna drag it down because
Because I'm pale!
Right? I literally have my foundation down to here right now. No lie.
Nobody is gonna ever be the same color. I don't care what anybody tells you.
It sucks when your face is red and your skin is green. Like, there's
Welcome to Minnesota!
Yeah, and I'm also too poor to buy a winter shade and a summer shade.
Oh my god, yeah. Who does that? Like, actually.
I'm still using my summer shade. Okay.
I would rather pay for a spray tan.
Exactly. Just pull throw that back in there. Okay, I'm gonna use a sponge for the powder because it's a thing.
It's a thing.
I swear it's a thing.
It is a thing. Wait, I mean, that's what I do.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I know everyone's like, what, like, I always do it just to set my under eye concealer, and it felt so wrong putting like a wet sponge and dry powder. So it's like
I feel
like that I once knew was completely wrong.
You're the one who got me to get this one. You know I was like a beauty blender stan.
Exactly. And what does stan mean? I see it everywhere, and I'm like, not on this internet trend yet.
Honestly, I don't know, but every time I say it, I just think about Eminem.
What?
You know the song Stan?
No.
Wait, now I need to play it. The one where the guy is writing him a letter, and he's like, I love you, and then the guy's like, I'm driving my wife off of a cliff, I'm gonna kill us all, and he's like sending him tapes.
No.
Oh shit, okay.
No,
y'all will know what I'm talking about.
Well,
but that's all I can
clip.
Don't. It's so bad.
Okay, maybe not. Never mind. Since we're doing a natural look, I don't want to contour. I more so want to bronze because it's winter here and no one's tan, so it would look weird.
No one's tan. Except for you are like, but you're like
my foundation. Look at my arms. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush because it'll look more natural in the winter in Minnesota than if I use like a contour brush, because that would just look weird. Okay, so e.l.f. has amazing highlighters from the drugstore. This one is in Moonlight Pearls, but you have to take a tweezers and like scrape the top layer off for it to actually like work. But it's like a perfect natural little highlighter.
Tricks of the trade. Mm-hmm. Does everybody that do all of your bitch face beautiers, what's gonna be their name?
Oh god, bitches.
Do all of your bitches know that You did my makeup for my wedding?
No.
It was the best thing ever.
I did her makeup for her wedding.
It was the best thing ever.
I've been asked by other people to do their wedding makeup.
Have you? You should. Does it make you nervous?
Yes, because I know you. And
Yeah.
I know your face.
Yeah, you've beat my face a couple times in the past.
Yeah, so I was just like, I don't know.
I honestly think you should. You did so good. It was so good.
I used so good. Best palette. The best palette ever.
The best.
It is so good. Okay, so I'm gonna do literally it's gonna be a more natural version of her wedding makeup. But I'm gonna use the Tartelette in Bloom palette. And I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush to put this like pinky-ish shade, oh my god, I can't talk. To put this pinky-ish shade in their crease called Sweetheart. Okay, so now I'm going to use the shade Rebel, which is a bit darker, just on the outer corner of her eye to add depth and dimension. And now I'm going to take the first shade, Sweetheart, and just use a pencil brush and just dip it in. Just a little. And run it.
Just the tip.
Run it under her eye, lower lash line. Will you look straight up? I promise I won't poke you.
I trust you entirely.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little trick here because I screwed up.
It happens, people.
I'm gonna take translucent powder on my sponge and I'm gonna kind of bake, but like I'm just gonna fix this. Turn that way. I'm just like, I went down too low with her eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna like pop that right there for like 5 minutes, and then it will like sharpen that up a bit. A bit. And we'll just do that side for shits and gigs. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna brush this off. I hope it worked. It looks like it worked on this side.
It's this side we're worried about.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks fine. We're just gonna roll with it. That's what I do with makeup all the time. Just like, yeah, screw it, it's fine.
But you're always the queen. She sews up, slaying.
No, I'm gonna make you do your mascara because, yeah, I'll grab it for you.
Okay, so I can't tell you who it was, mainly because I don't remember. But it was an Instagram like influencer, probably a blogger, probably not Cara Lauren, but somebody on that caliber.
Mm-hmm.
And she was talking about how she's used all of these mascaras and all of this stuff, and she found $10 mascaras that worked better than anything she's ever tried. But she was like, it's the primer and mascara situation. And to me, that reminds me of like sophomore year, the one that was like, do you remember the tube? It was fat and it was black on one side and white on the other side. And I used it all the time and it was clumpy as hell and it was disgusting. So now I'm embarrassed that I use a primer and mascara.
I've always wanted to try that primer.
It's not like my favorite thing in the world. Okay. But like, I ran out of my favorite mascara, so
I think Gina Shikeda uses it, so I want to use it because I want
it works. Okay. But the only thing is, like, I feel like people don't realize is you have to let it dry first.
Oh,
because a lot of people just go da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, and then it gets clumpy and it's weird and it's gross. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this without a mirror, though.
Oh, wait, do you have a mini one?
No, I got this.
Oh, yes! Oh, it's probably dirty as hell.
It's okay.
Okay.
So's my life. Messy as hell. Oh man.
Oh, what are you? Oh! Are you an Aquarius?
I am an Aquarius. What's going on?
It's on my lips right now. It's called Aquarius.
It's called Aquarius. ColourPop!
Yeah!
Oh, hell yeah, I'm
making her put this on because it's her sign.
Also, 2 things I love about myself. Sorry for the haters that think I'm annoying. my eyebrows, and my lips. I don't have big lips, but I like them.
She doesn't even have to fill in her eyebrows. Then I'm over here, and like my whole eyebrow is fake. The whole brow.
The whole brow.
The whole brow. That's a Kathleen Lights collaboration with ColourPop.
She's the one who lives in Miami, right?
Yes.
She's so cute.
She's adorable.
Her little accent.
She's my favorite. This is the finished look. It's like a natural, everyday / winter in Minnesota and everyone's pale as hell look. But yeah, it's simple and she's cute.
Thanks. Thanks for beating my face, bitch face.
Thanks for watching. There's gonna definitely be a blooper reel.
Oh yeah.
Stay tuned.
We
You're gonna want to watch it.
ex-boyfriends. We talked getting
drama.
slammed at the slam shack.
Okay, anyway, and cut.
You know who Eminem reminds me of? Like, not reminds me of, but how he looks, but whenever I listen to his music, I think of this person.
Yes, I know exactly.
Do you know who I'm talking about?
Senior year of high school.
Yeah.
Lived in the attic.
Didn't they all?
Yeah.
Shout out to you. You just unblocked me on Instagram.
What was it called?
The Slam Shack.
I
know who you are. Thanks for blocking
my
me.
Slam Shack shirt.
I got slammed at the Slam Shack.
Is that what it?
Yes, I'm the one who.
Shout out to my. Oh shit.
Wait, actually, no. I don't think I'm the one who came up with it. I want to say that Sam was the one who came up with it. Bernhardt.
Fair.
Because she has that play on words.
We're gonna have to get food. I'm hungry.
This is why we're friends. What do you want?
I don't know.
You know Taco Libre is right down the street.
Her stomach. My stomach says yes.